Namaste dear students, this is the part 3rd video of block 3 Cultivating Crops. In this video, students will be able to understand the difference between organic and inorganic fertilizers. So before going to anything, we should understand what is organic and what is inorganic. Organic means any substance which is produced from living things like animal or plants, and inorganic means substance formed by the different types of chemicals. Now we should understand what are fertilizers. Fertilizers are the natural or the chemical substances which are added to the soil to provide enough nutrients for the plants to grow. So there are two types of fertilizers, organic fertilizers and inorganic fertilizers. So let's see one by one. So first of all, organic fertilizers, which are also known as manure. These organic fertilizers are obtained from the decomposition of dead organic matters like vegetable peels, dead leaves, excreta of animals. Excreta means waste matter discharged from the body of human or any animals. So farmer dump plant or animal waste in the pit in open places and allow it to decompose, and microorganisms decompose these waste. So the question comes in your mind is that what is microorganism? So microorganisms are the small living things that cannot be seen by our naked eyes, but we can see them by some special equipments. So dear students, the manure are produced in the compost pit. I have shown you compost pit in our school. You might remember that. So in that compost pit, we take the dead organic matters to decompose there by the action of microorganism, and when that decayed organic matter converted into manure, we put those manures into our field to increase the fertility of soil. So dear students, you can see in this picture how these dead decayed organic matters are used to produce organic fertilizers. From the previous picture, you can understand that the organic fertilizers are dark brown in color, insoluble in water, heavy weight and flaky texture. Flaky means something that can break easily into small or thin pieces. So organic fertilizers can be used in different types of crops, and it also provides different types of nutrients. But they are slow in action because they are insoluble in water, and as they are slow in action, so they are required in large amount. Nowadays, people do the practice of organic farming. There are various ways of organic farming, in which one of the good way is to use organic fertilizers to grow crops. Now, inorganic fertilizers. Inorganic fertilizers are usually made in factories from the different kinds of chemicals. You can see in this picture inorganic fertilizers, the texture and the color of the inorganic fertilizer. So basically, inorganic fertilizers are white in color, soluble in water, lightweight and granular in texture. So small amount of inorganic fertilizers can make soil fertile in very less time because they are soluble in water, and one kind of fertilizers does not provide all types of nutrients. Also, inorganic fertilizers can harm soil, and also it can pollute soil if we use it for the longer period of time. You can see here the farmer is throwing inorganic fertilizers in the field. So let's have a recap. In this video, we have learned about the types of fertilizers, production of fertilizers, characteristics of fertilizers. Now there is a quiz time. First question is, write four difference between organic and inorganic fertilizers. The second question is, how does use of inorganic fertilizers affect the environment? So let's try to think and answer it. Now there is the answer of quiz asked in part second video of block third. Thank you dear students and have a nice day.